Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GCP, that is Google Cloud Platform. Today we are going to learn how to connect to the GCP VM instances using the SSH. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's go to the your cloud engine. So here we have a SSH. Let's go to the view cloud command. So this is the command. Follow my each and every steps in the previous video also. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's copy and paste this one. Okay, so it will open this one. So enter the phrase. So I'm going to add my phrase. Okay, enter the phrase also. So here, updating the project SSH metadata, so it will automatically update everything. So here you can see that in the meta, if I go over here, let's close this one. In the meta over here, okay, so here we have the meta. So here it's asking application wants to access the private key to HTTP, but it's locked. Okay, unlock, enter the password to unlock the private key. Unlock. Okay, so where all of this updated, that is in the meta. So here we have a metadata, right? So here we are generating the SSH keys. Okay, so here you can see that the SSH keys is there. So what is happening over here, expanded this, and the compute engine, this list is done. Google Cloud in this permanently added to this one. I think this key is already added over here in the inbound site. So the key is random image. Okay, so let's go to the I think it's now it's, you can see Rajnikant at the Linux web server. Now I'm connecting. If I go with the ls and cd, currently nothing I have updated like the Apache or something. Okay, so now I'm just connecting to my like the GCP cloud. Okay, so if I go to the home, okay, here you can see the ls. So here you can see that Rajnikant and Ubuntu is there. CD Rajnikant, what else they have? Nothing. If I go to the one back, to go to the Ubuntu, okay, what it has? Nothing. So we are going to create a full setup like Apache, MySQL, everything we are going to set up what required for the WordPress, right? So so those who haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.